Begin splitting the die by removing end seals on both sides of the die. Remove die body bolts and insert jack bolts. Tighten jack bolts evenly to clear alignment pins. Follow instruction manual to properly torque die. Remove die bolts from the die entrance. Remove jack bolts after die clears alignment pins. Begin the splitting process by operating the pneumatic controls. Mechanical lockout keeps die in open position to comply with lockout tagout procedures. Remove mechanical lockout to close die. Close die and insert die body bolts. Tighten die bolts, closing the gap to reassemble die. Reassemble end seals to complete the process.